Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that'll take you to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a smart bird feeder with a camera from a company called Luvan. This is the box it comes in, and then once you open it up, you're going to get all the parts and pieces that you need. So first off, you are going to get the bird feeder itself, and we're going to cover this in detail very, very shortly here. You will be getting a USB to USB Type-C cable in case you want to manually power up the camera. However, it has built-in solar panels, and that's really all you will need. You will get a user manual that tells you how to operate it. Pretty straightforward. We're going to cover all those details. You are going to get a little screwdriver and some long screws here to mount it on like a fence or the side of your house if you wish to utilize it there. And then you are going to get the mounting bracket itself, which will be secured to the bottom right here like so. So it's very easy to set up on a fence. And then in addition to that, if you don't want to use the mounting bracket or screw anything into the side of your house, they also include a strap which you can utilize to secure the device instead if that is the direction you want to go. But let's cover the bird feeder itself. So first off, you can see right here in the front, you have a nice camera. This is a 1080p camera that has about 145 viewing degree angle. And as you can see, it moves up and down. So that way you can position it so it's really capturing this front zone where the birds will land. Now, this camera will work both during the day and it will also work at night. It does have night vision in it, and it also can do color night vision, and how it does that is there's a little white light here that will turn on, so that way you can see at night also. Now, as I mentioned, on the top here, you have those two solar panels. That is going to be charging up the camera during the day, and as long as you have a nice sunshiny day, it should keep that camera topped off. Obviously, if you put it in a place where the camera's constantly triggering, the battery can wear out over time, and you can always utilize this USB Type-C to give it a little charge boost if you need to. Now, another thing, how you access this camera, it's going to be through just their standard app. Super easy to add the camera into the system. And then they also have a feature in there, if you want, you can sign up for their AI bird identification, which is like 10,000 plus birds. If they land here, they will actually tell you what kind of bird it is, which makes this an absolute amazing gift for somebody that is a bird watcher or just loves to see different birds. But if you don't want to utilize that, you don't have to. You will still get notifications to your phone letting you know when a bird has landed, or even a squirrel if you live like I do, and squirrels also have a tendency to come and visit the bird feeder. Speaking of squirrels, now if you don't want the squirrels on your bird feeder, this does have a two-way audio. So you can actually talk into it and it comes out of the speaker. So you can actually use that to scare away any animals that are visiting your bird feeder that you don't want to be visiting it. So that's kind of a nice little perk that it has. As far as connecting to your network, it does connect to the network via 2.4 gigahertz. So if your router has that not split off, and it can't determine whether it goes to the 2.4 or 2.5. You may need to split it, but it's pretty standard amongst all security cameras out there. It does have on the backside a nice large antenna, so that way you can put it a distance and it will still be able to connect through your network. Now you'll see this little cable right here. It's got its waterproof housing on it, but if you unscrew this, that is where you can plug in the USB Type-C connection. Now, as far as birdseed, because that's obviously important. So how you load it up is on the back here is a little clip. Just pop that open, and you can pour your birdseed down here. And then you can see on the front side, on the camera, on either side of the camera here, is where the seed will fill up, and then obviously sits in this big, wide bowl down here at the bottom. To give you an idea of the amount of seed it will hold 1.6 liters of bird seed. This whole thing has a waterproof design. It's got that IP65 rating. As you can see, it has this camouflage look, so it's perfect for hiding in a tree. And it doesn't stand out for when the birds are coming to visit, which is a nice little setup too. So overall, it's a pretty cool bird feeder. Like if you are like watching birds, it's a nice sized bird feeder. It has the built-in camera. If you know a bird enthusiast in your life, this makes an awesome, awesome gift. And for all the different reasons, I do highly recommend checking this one out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that is it until the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.